In today's video, I will show you how to play Super VR Adventure with your friends. If you are trying to join your friends, invite players or use multiplayer mode in Super VR Adventure, then this video will help you out. So make sure to watch until the end. First, open Super VR Adventure on your device and come to this screen like I am showing now. Then walk up to this computer and press the B button. After that, you will see two options on your screen. Simply click on Create New Party. Now wait a few seconds until the lobby is created. Once it's ready, you will see an invitation code on your screen like this. Keep this screen open on your device. Next, ask your friends to open SuperVR Adventure and come in front of the same computer in the game, then press the B button. After that, tell them to click on the Join Party option. Enter the invitation code here and press OK. Once they join, both of you will be in the same lobby. Now simply click on ready and you can start playing together. And that's how you can play Super VR Adventure with your friends. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.